Hey folks, today I'm going to show you how to build a PVC structure. Very simple, just to put, speaking of birds, got a hummingbird there. Nice cameo. Anyway, so that's what we're trying to protect our tomatoes from. Last year I didn't put up any kind of structure at all. I planted about 10 tomato plants, and then the birds got probably 90%, and then subsequently went around my yard. You can see plant them here, one there, one over there, there's one back here, one over here. I mean, they're all over the place. So there's some in the front yard too. So I put this simple thing up. It's really quick and easy. Probably take about 15 minutes. So let me show you what you need to do that. Here's the tools, tape measure. This is a cutting tool for PVC. If you don't have that, a regular saw, any kind of saw will work for this. Hammer, this is a 3-pound hammer, I think. You can use a regular hammer, but these work a lot better. And then some sort of tool to mark. 4 pieces of rebar, about 2 feet long by 3/8 inch. 4 90-degree angles by 1/2 inch. And then however much PVC you need. These are 1/2 inch and then 10 feet long. So I'll show you how to cut this. All right, first thing you want to do is measure how tall and wide your tomato plants are before you make your cut, and then leave a little bit of room for growth. In my case, not going to be much more growth, so I'm just going to make this measurement here. About there. And then this tool, very simple. As simple as that. And then cut your other piece. Same. Alright, you got your 2 pieces cut. Take these, put them on the ends just like that, and then you're ready to go out and hammer the stakes in the ground. Alright, next step, just hammer these into the ground, making sure you have enough room. You can see in the raised bed gardens, they go right down. And so, if you have taller raised bed gardens, then you may need some longer rebar. Now, it's super important when you're doing this that you immediately cover this up, because this is very dangerous. When you're hammering on these, it kind of flattens them out, puts some sharp edges on here. And so in the past, I don't know if you can see this, hopefully you can see this. In the past, I haven't protected it and I've cut myself. So that's very important, very, very important that you put the PVC on it right away. So I'm gonna do that, and I got one more stake to put in. Okay, now you've got your stakes in the ground, got your PVC set up, got your 90-degree angles. Now you just need to measure in between here. So the PVC, when it's inserted in this pipe, will come to right about there. So measure that in between these two pieces and make your final cut. And so in my case, I've got this here. Try to do this one-handed. Goes in like that. Over to the other side. Okay, there we go. And there you have it. So there's your structure. Very simple, very quick. I mean, you can do this in just a few minutes. It's not real expensive. The PVC parts, these things are about 40 cents each. The rebars, I think $2.50 each. So in my case, 4 of those, so 10 bucks. I did 2 10-foot pieces, so that was probably about $2 each, PVC. So altogether, with the bird net, about 30 bucks. And you can save these for next year. You can pull them out, put them in your garage, whatever. But just keep in mind, most important thing is to protect yourself from this PVC. Do not take this off and leave it in the ground, because that will get you. And you can really hurt yourself. So, very important to be safe. So there you have it. I'm not going to put the bird net up, but when you're figuring out what size you need, just measure from the ground up to here. In my case, it's 4 feet plus the 10 inches, so about 5 feet. So 5 feet up, 5 feet down the other side. That's 10 feet plus 2 feet across. So I need at least 12 feet. And I probably want to go with a couple extra feet, so maybe 15 foot. And then same thing going this way. So 15 by about maybe 18. That's what I'll need to protect this one. And so I have some bird net. I'm just going to cut it to size. I'm not going to bore you with that. But that's how you do it. And when you're done, looks like that. And the birds can sit out here and they can fantasize about your tomatoes, but they can't get your tomatoes. All right, thanks for watching.